Welcome to this executive overview of the 2022 edition of NFPA 13, the standard for the installation of sprinkler systems. This video will synthesize the blueprint and reference dossier of the standard. Chapter 1 establishes the standard's purpose and scope, providing reasonable protection for life and property. A critical point is the 750 exemption, which redirects designers to NFPA 750 for water mist systems. Navigating the legal context, NFPA uses a consensus model, placing liability on the professional engineer. Always check for tentative interim amendments and errata, as the standard is a living document. NFPA 13 is only enforceable when adopted by local authorities. The structural timeline of NFPA 13 shows significant shifts. The 1991 to 1999 reorganization consolidated materials. In 2016, a metric shift used approximate conversions for global usability. The 2022 edition introduces single-point density design. Key innovations in 2022 include the philosophical shift to single-point density design for new systems, moving away from density/area curves. Chapter 25 on storage was rewritten, and nitrogen generator requirements were introduced. The committee ecosystem features a correlating committee, ensuring overall coherence. The four governing domains are private water supply, installation criteria, hanging and bracing, and discharge criteria. The standard's architecture is divided into blocks. The foundation block includes administration, referenced publications, and definitions. The core systems and components blocks cover general requirements, water supplies, hardware, and system types. The applications and administration section includes the structural support block and the storage matrix block, covering various design approaches. The administrative closeout block covers plans, acceptance, modifications, and testing. Understanding hydraulics involves symbols like Q for flow and P for pressure. Since 2016, NFPA 13 uses an approximate metric conversion philosophy, simplifying usability outside the United States by avoiding fractional complexities. Foundational definitions for the piping network include the riser, feed mains, cross mains, branch lines, arm over, and drop, which leads to the sprinkler. Construction definitions clarify terms like obstructed and unobstructed construction, with the latter having at least 70% cross-section opening. Other definitions include ceiling pocket, cloud ceiling, and the distinction between sloped and horizontal ceilings. Storage terminology distinguishes between closed array, restricting air movement, and open array, enhancing it. Vertical flues are 6 inches or less in a closed array. Longitudinal flue space and aisle width are also defined for storage arrays. The anatomy of rack storage involves critical variables for sprinkler design. These include back-to-back shelf storage, compartmented loads, banded tires, and cartoned records, each affecting fire behavior and suppression requirements. NFPA 13 relies on an ecosystem of reference standards like AWWA for waterworks, ASME for mechanical integrity, ULICCES for testing, and ASTM for materials. NFPA 13 is the blueprint, but its function depends on this interconnected web.